Hello, my name is Beat Kämpfer. I'm the General Manager and owner of BFA Solution. Together with Daley Williams, Sales Manager from our partner Plastic Solution, we are pleased to welcome you to our first webinar. With our BFA webinar series, we take you on a journey from general understanding to the life cycle management of manufacturing executing system. The topic today is the general understanding of basic data collection and scalable MES. Connectivity, including vertical and horizontal integration of all machines and equipment, is the future of manufacturing. In the first section, we will explain the difference between a basic monitoring system and a modular and scalable MES. In the next section, we will discuss the different types of machine interfaces, followed by what we mean by a fully integrated MES system. And finally, we will explain how to integrate a MES system into an existing machine park. And now it gives me a pleasure to hand over to Mr. Daley Williams.
Thank you, Beat, for your introduction, and good morning, everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions throughout the webinar, please feel free to type the questions in the chat function, and Beat will do the best to answer these as we make our way through the presentation. So in the first instance, it's clear that you've recognised the need to capture data in your factory. It's important at this stage that you consider exactly what data you want from an MES system. Depending on your requirements, you then need to decide between a basic monitoring system and a more scalable and modular MES system. You'll most likely want, at an absolute minimum, a real-time production status, which will help you reduce downtime and increase productivity. If this is the case, then a basic monitoring system is the right solution. As soon as requirements like traceability, connection to business solutions such as an ERP, quality monitoring, or customer-specific functions are required, then a more scalable and modular MES system will be required. So as you can see here, the first level shows the shop floor with different types of injection molding machines, automation and assembly lines. To collect data from the shop floor, there are two types of interface available depending on the specification and age of your equipment. The first is the cost-effective basic interface. Here we capture information over digital signals like cycle time, machine status, and good and bad part counters. The data is prepared in a BFA supplied controller and sent to the MES via an Ethernet connection. Typically, the controller is easy to install and positioned in the electrical cabinet of the injection molding machine. Then there's the more advanced interface. This is a direct Ethernet connection to the machine. This offers the same features as the basic interface, with the added benefit when connected over a Euromap 77 or OCPUA. For assembly, the amount of machine data is much higher and complex. It is also possible to read and write data from the MES back to the machine or other production equipment. The data visualization and further processing can take place via a host of different devices and platforms. We have the MES client, which typically is installed in office workstations, for example, for the production manager or the quality manager. We have mobile devices offering a fast and accessible information overview. This can also be used as a shop floor input device for downtime selection. We have the ERP system, such as business software used for import and export function, typically for order handling. We have a cloud platform, such as SAS or System as a Service. And finally, big data storage for data analytics. You'll be pleased to know that over the basic interface, it's also possible to calculate OEE and input order handling. Machines with the advanced interface also support the collection of process parameters, such as pressure and temperature, amongst others, typically for the medical industry. Vertical integration, for example, sending data from the business level directly to the machine, is only supported by the advanced interface. So here, as you can see, there are a wide range of interfaces available. If your machines are not equipped with an advanced interface, it's possible for your machine supplier to retrofit. Alternatively, the machine can be equipped with the basic interface by Plastech Solutions at a much lower cost than the advanced interface retrofit. So here you can see an example of a fully integrated MES system connected to the injection molding machines. All peripheral equipment such as robots, automation, inspection, assembly, hot runners, etc. In addition to the vertical integration between production management and business level, it's all part of the solution. The MES is the central bridge between production and business level. This is the horizontal integration and the direction towards smart production and Industry 4.0. When there is communication between all production equipment, this brings a fully integrated MES system from concept to reality. Here is a typical workflow animation. This shows an order sent from the business level to the MES server. We then send the required recipe or dataset to the injection molding machine and the peripheral equipment. The production start and status and quality data is then sent from the equipment back to the MES server. Then finally, for further processing, the prepared MES data is sent back to the ERP. If you decide to connect an existing machine park to an MES system, this should be considered a strategic project and should be implemented on a step-by-step basis. Now you can understand the reason why at the very beginning of this presentation, you should decide if a simple, cost-effective solution will be sufficient for you in the future. If this is the case, a basic monitoring system is the right solution for you. But please bear in mind, the range of functions are limited. Long-term data storage is not supported, and customized adaptation to business software such as the ERP system is also not supported. If you have bespoke or special requirements, a modular and scalable MES is the way to go. For this, there are a wide range of software modules available. Depending on the supported machine interface, a mixture of connections via the basic and advanced interface is supported. Long-term data storage and traceability is also supported, and customized adaptations to business software is also supported. So in summary, we now know the difference between a basic monitoring system and a modular and scalable MES system. Both vertical and horizontal integration with a fully integrated MES is considered to be the direction of Industry 4.0. But don't forget that if you decide to connect an existing machine park with an MES system, it should be considered a strategic project and approached and implemented on a step-by-step basis. So thank you for listening to our overview, and I would like to invite you to join our next webinar where we'll present approaches on how you can identify the most important benefits and calculate the return on investment with an MES system. In addition, we will also demonstrate how an MES can be implemented into your business, as mentioned earlier, on a step-by-step basis. Thank you everyone for listening and for your time. I'd like to hand you back over to Beat Kampfer, owner of BFA Solutions, who will be pleased to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much, Daley, for the interesting information. Thank you to the audience for your attention. I've requested some detailed information. Please contact us and we can arrange a follow-up meeting. Don't forget, we are on a journey, and the next couple of months we give you in a short and compact way an overview of MES and Industry 4.0. Thank you very much again, and see you the next time.